Welcome to the fine art of mixing drinks. Today, we're doing what's called a Liberty. So, all this says is that a different version of the Liberty omits the sugar syrup altogether and substitutes sloe gin for rum and apricot brandy for the Applejack. That sounds like an entirely different drink. Like, those are 3 of the 4 ingredients. 2 are different and 1 is no longer there. That is a different drink. Anyways, this one's called the Liberty. Starting off with 1 part simple syrup, going with a small one because some of these are like pretty big amounts. So 1 part simple syrup. You got 2 parts lime juice. Since we started off with the small one, we can just do 1 big guy. 3 parts white label rum. So that'll be 1 from the big, and 1 from the small. And then we've got 5 parts of Applejack. So that'll be 2 big, 1 small. You know, if you're making it this way, since it's parts, you could use like a friggin' cup, but you'll need a lot more than this for 5 parts. Second big, and our little guy. And of course, we'll need some ice. Some few cubes. And of course, you gotta shake this up. I'm feeling lazy, so I'm just gonna pour everything, ice and all, in here. Pop, pop, pop. Perfect amount for this glass. So if you have this kind of glass, this is good to know. It's a nice looking bev. Alright, come on up a little bit, I think. There we go. So this is called a Liberty. I salute thee. Damn, that's pretty good. It tastes like sour apple.
Ooh, yeah.
Oh, that's good.
It's like a Jolly Rancher.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Highly recommended. This one's like super good.
Ooh.
Really dangerous because that's kind of a lot of booze, but it's tastes like candy. So if you want a completely different drink, head back to the beginning of the video where I told you how to do that for some reason. That's in the book. And like and subscribe to this channel. Not generally speaking, but to this channel. Like, you know, you can other channels, but this is the one I want you to subscribe to and like this video. And others, probably. Whatever.